Here I have Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow key, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here you can change photo ratio. So you have like 4:3 64 megapixels, 4:3 16:9, and also 1:1 and full screen aspect ratios. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.